Okay, I'm doing my experiment. First, I'll put water in an empty clear glass. Then next, I'll carefully put an egg into that cup. And it sank. Next, I'll put water in the other glass. And then after this, I'll put some salt into it. Okay, here it goes. About maybe 3 or 4 spoons. Maybe even 5. Or the whole bowl. Now I'm stirring it around so that the salt dissolves into the water and turns into salt water. Now, after this, do you think the egg will float or sink? Find out now. It floats. If you thought it would sink like this one there, not that one, you are wrong. But if you thought it was different, you are right. And yeah, I'm done my egg experiment. Bye bye. I'm leaving now.